Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can check in on a Ryanair flight. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get into it. So for that, simply go ahead first, open up your browser and type in ryanair.com to get in their official website. Now simply go ahead first, log in. Once you have logged in to your account, you're going to be going to the home section as usual. And then from over here, you're going to be going into this section of My Ryanair account, which will, once you have logged in, it will be accessible. Then simply going to go ahead, go to My Bookings, and then you simply got to go ahead, select Check-in. Once you selected Check-in, you will be asked to enter your travel document details, which you have received priorly to check in. Simply go ahead, enter the information accordingly, and then you will be able to simply check in right away. You can check in online as early as 60 days before your flight. If you have reserved a seat, if you haven't reserved a seat, you can check in 24 hours before your flight. You can print your boarding pass up to 2 hours before your flight as well. You can also check in at the airport, but you will need to pay an airport check-in fee. If you're unable to present your boarding pass at the airport, you will need to pay a boarding pass reusers fee as well. So make sure to check in online before that. All you gotta do is access, sign in, enter your details, and you're good to go. You will be able to check in like that over there, and that is basically it. So hope this video helped. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you guys in our next video.